Hey there, today I'm going to give you a complete review of how to use Modmed, a step-by-step training for healthcare providers. So let's get started. Modmed is a cloud-based EHR and practice management platform designed for healthcare providers. It helps manage patient charts, schedule appointments, handle billing, and streamline revenue cycle management. Everything is specialty specific, which makes documentation fast and accurate, and it integrates seamlessly with labs, imaging centers, and clearinghouses. The best part is, Modmed is very user-friendly. You can request a demo online, set up your account quickly, and start using the dashboard right away. This is great because even beginners can get started without confusion. Creating patient records is easy, just add details like name, date of birth, medications, and insurance info. Documenting encounters is simple too, using specialty-specific templates. Scheduling appointments is smooth, with automated reminders to reduce no-shows. Billing and claims management is efficient, allowing you to submit claims, track payments, and export financial reports quickly. Overall, it's designed to improve patient care, save time, and reduce administrative burdens. But there are a few limitations. The platform can feel overwhelming at first because of the many features. Some advanced functions may require training or support from Modmed staff. Pricing may be high for smaller practices, and since it's cloud-based, a stable internet connection is needed for smooth performance. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.